The massage ball triceps exercise helps release muscle tightness and reduce soreness in the tricep muscles on the back of your arm. You can do this kneeling on the floor with your upper arm placed on a bench or any flat surface such as a table, or if you don't have access to a bench, you can complete it by leaning into a wall. Here's how to do it correctly. Kneel in front of a bench or any sturdy flat surface or stand with your side next to a wall. Position the massage ball on the back of your upper arm, focusing on the triceps muscle, which runs from the shoulder to the elbow. Gently press the triceps muscle on the back of your upper arm into the massage ball using your body weight. If using a wall, raise your arm above your head and lean your triceps muscle into the massage ball to apply pressure. Adjust to a firm but comfortable level. Slowly roll the ball up and down the length of the triceps muscle from just below the shoulder to just above the elbow. Spend about 30 seconds to 1 minute on each arm. If you find any tight or tender spots, pause and apply more pressure to these areas. Perform small circular motions or hold the ball in place to release tension, but avoid causing sharp pain. Adjust the massage ball's position slightly to target different parts of the tricep muscle. You can also change the angle by rotating your arm or extending it out to the side. Repeat the same steps on your other arm. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.